Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko, and today I'm going to explain to you how you can make money off of your competitors with our white label SEO services. So make sure you are in an area that can get pretty messy because I'm about to blow your mind. Here today on The Sauce, brought to you by PosiRank.com. Having a successful business or service means also staying aware of ways to make money through other avenues. In our last video, I talked about what white label SEO was, and I pointed out some good reasons as to why it would be helpful, cost-effective, and good for growth for agencies and freelancers. However, I also mentioned business owners to help you with your own agency, business, or as a freelancer. See, I did say that. And maybe you were wondering, how is that so? Especially when the basis of your business and SEO is to put you ahead of your competitors. And if you're doing it well enough, why would you want to help your competitors? Why would you want to take money from your own hand? And I hear you, but when you think about it, the time and work it takes to beat out all of your competitors, stay number one in search engines, and sell more, it actually makes sense, especially if you're doing all of those things right. Because just like MLMs, you can only reach so many people before you run out of people to sell to. But you don't want to stop. You want to achieve more. And you can spend all of your time and money trying to scrounge for every little client for your business, or you could make money off of your competitors' efforts to compete with you. And that is because if you are at the top of your market, an authority in what you do, have expertise and knowledge, and have taken the time to build trust through the right campaigns and content, then that, my friend, is somebody that people are not only looking to beat, but to learn from. People want to know how you do it. What were your tactics? What can they learn from you? Your competitors are already Googling you and trying to figure out what you've done. I know, I've told them to, because that is the basis of figuring out the right kind of campaign for your business. And I may have made a few videos about it, I'm pretty sure. And that leaves you with a unique opportunity to sell your marketing tactics to others to help them become successful as well. The most profitable things you can sell are things that you can produce quickly in the least amount of time with very little work. And the most profitable thing is information, especially when you are outsourcing it to another company. Because if you thought building your own digital marketing department was expensive, you're right. However, using white label SEO services to do that for you under your name for your competitors now makes it more profitable and easier to grow. I know, but if I did all that myself, Kiko, then why would I use white labeling services? And that is a good question. And the answer is because it would be too expensive and take too much time to be able to reach the critical mass you need for it to be profitable and worth your time. Because I'm not talking about creating an entirely new business that you have to build out yourself and manage. I'm pitching you the idea of providing a separate service that is as hands-on or off as you want it to be, with great profit margins and minimal work when comparing it to creating an entire marketing business. With white label SEO services such as ours, we don't just regurgitate content that is cookie cutter. We get niche specific with every client, and that would be including you and your customers. You already possess the knowledge, experience, and expertise on your market. You have built trust that you know what you are doing because you already do it well. And all we do is take your direction and create that content, campaigns, and SEO management necessary to achieve the same outcome as you for them. And it's profitable from day one because you only pay for what you use. There are no subscriptions. There are also no upfront fees. And there is no minimum. You bring in the client and we do all the legwork for you. And at this point, I feel like you either see the benefit of this or you are still skeptical. And I get that. Trust me, I understand how crazy it sounds. However, it isn't when you think about it from a practical standpoint. Your competition already needs SEO help, and they're going to have to find somebody to manage theirs anyway. So why not you? You already possess the knowledge, so rather than hoard the information, why not make money off of it? Because we sell you the service at a wholesale price that you mark up to a retail price of your liking. So even at a 20% markup, you are able to make money off of a service you don't have to fully manage. It's as hands-on or off as you want it to be, and you only pay for what you use. Look, you're still not convinced? Here's the last reason. As you're helping them, it also helps you maintain your ranking in search engines. As you're referenced more for your services, expertise, and knowledge, Google's bots will crawl that and see that you are searched, clicked through, and referenced more. And that helps your rankings, making it easier for your SEO to continue to beat out your competitors using less time and money spent on your own SEO, all the while making you more money. And if you're still not convinced and don't believe me that it's a good idea, then call my bluff by clicking the link below and scheduling a free consultation with our business manager. He will answer all of your questions and show you how this process works, what it costs, and how it can benefit you. Till then, I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any questions, email me at kiko@posserank.com. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more SEO tips, tricks, and ideas that can help you climb to the top of search engines. Till then, my name is Kiko. Have a great day.